This is the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL, and I think you should buy it. And that's going to start things off with the battery life. It's been absolutely phenomenal. It'll easily last you all day. For me, I take it out of charge at like 7 a.m. and by the time it's 10 p.m., I'm still at around 50 to 55% of battery life. But what's even better is the standby time. I'm losing at the most like 2 to 3-ish of battery overnight. There has been a couple of nights where I didn't lose a single percent of charge, and that does say a lot. So if you're a battery hungry person, you're a heavy user, like you're using your phone for everything all the time, all day, and you forget to bring your charger to work, or you don't have a charger at your workplace, or you're out on the weekend, or whatever it may be, you won't have any issues with the battery life on the Pixel 9 Pro XL. And I rock this case right here from Thinborn because it gives my Pixel 9 Pro XL MagSafe, and I have a MagSafe charger, so it's just super easy to charge, and it's also minimal, clean, and still provides protection for my Pixel 9 Pro XL. So definitely be sure to check it out in the link in the description down below to get like 15% off your order. So yeah, battery life you're gonna enjoy on the Pixel 9 Pro XL. But another thing you're gonna enjoy is the cameras. The quality is on point, and they're Pixel cameras. You can't go wrong with Pixel cameras, especially if you're gonna use it for social media, you wanna share photos on social media, or if you're going to share it with friends and family, just keep it for just sake of memories, then you're gonna have no issues with the Pixel cameras. And that does include video too. Video on this is really good. Now you're getting a triple camera setup here on the Pixel 9 Pro XL, and I think it's overall a great setup, and I'm really happy with the results. And if you have a Pixel, you know exactly what I'm talking about. Now, the performance is also, I think, another reason why you should definitely pick up the Pixel 9 Pro XL. Here's why. In my use, I've come across no bugs or issues whatsoever. And while it does have a Tensor G4 chipset and it's not the most powerful like benchmarks scores when you compare it to the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, I think that's completely okay. Google, it optimizes it very well with Android 14 and with all its new Gemini AI features. So I think it performs really well. And on a day-to-day basis, buttery smooth. Like, it's just great. And it also has a vapor cooling chamber, which is nice. And the phone, for me, it hasn't really gotten warm to the touch other than like the initial setup process, and that's to be expected. Now, there's 16 gigs of RAM on board, and that's also great. And I'm suspecting there's more RAM because of those Gemini AI features. And it's good to just see more RAM in general. And not only that, Pixel UI and Material U on the Pixel 9 Pro XL is one of my favorite user interfaces. And this gets 7 years of software updates. And here's the thing, we're holding on to our smartphones longer than ever. So I think it's crucial to have longer software updates. So yeah, in the performance department, you're not gonna have any issues. And the one thing that I think a lot of people are not talking about enough is the ultrasonic fingerprint sensor. So take a look at that. While it does have face unlock, and right here it unlocked, but the fingerprint sensor is great. So I'm just showing, I'm not trying to like point at my face because it just automatically unlocks, but when you look at it here, it's an ultrasonic fingerprint sensor. So it's not the optical one where it shines light to capture your fingerprint. It literally is that ultrasonic that we have on devices like the Samsung Galaxy S24, and one tap and you're in. It is super reliable, super convenient, and super fast. But all in all, while those things are great, the camera, the performance, and the battery life, the design is beautiful. At least I believe that it's beautiful. The flat frames make it feel really comfortable to hold in the hand. And some may say, oh, it looks like an iPhone. But you know what? I personally think that is okay. I love the hazel color. I think Google did a really good job with the colors this year on the Pixel 9 series in general. And I think hazel is looking like the best out of the bunch. Again, that may be just my own opinion. Some may like the pink. I think it was called rose quartz. Some may like the obsidian, like the black. And some may like the porcelain. But for me, it's been the hazel. I absolutely love how this color came out. And while the frames, they're a glossy frame, they're not matte like the Pixel 9, that is still, it's okay. I mean, it's something they can nitpick about, but it makes the phone feel much more premium. Display has been amazing. 3000 nits of peak brightness, a super large display, It gets super bright outdoors, super vivid. So if you're always outdoors, your work requires you to be outdoors, you won't have any issues using the display on the Pixel 9 Pro XL. And like I said, the overall feel in the hand, it's really comfortable. I think Google definitely made the phone feel more premium. But here's what I have to say, with the design, with the chipset, with the software, I think the optimization with the Pixel 9 Pro XL, as well including the other Pixel devices, is more refined than ever. And I think now is the best time to buy a Pixel. And if you want the best of the best in the largest form factor, you want to go with the Pixel 9 Pro XL. Believe me, it feels so much more premium. Check it out at your local Best Buy or your local carrier stores, wherever you are, whether that be in the US or internationally. Check it out in store, try it out, hold it in the hand, feel it, but you're going to realize how premium and how great and how far the Pixel lineup has come. But seriously, good job, Google, with the Pixel 9 Pro XL. I definitely recommend checking it out. Anyway, I hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, definitely be sure to Superman the like button, comment down below, and best of all, share this video because it really does help out the channel a lot. Will help push my content out to more people. That's been it for me. I'll catch you guys in the next one.